Welcome aboard! Now we're going to see what are we going to do in this course. I split this course in 3 separate segments. First of all, we're going to see a bit of history of our memory system. After that, we're immediately going to cover some basic and advanced techniques of our memory system, and we're going to complete it in the main system. And the last segment, we're going to call it the mind mapping, which we will learn further on how we can use it to further boost our memory. So, again, what we'll learn here, we will clear our current abilities, we will put them to a test. Further on, we will double the amount of terms in any given system that you will learn, and I will teach you how to use a memory rhythm for further improving your memory. And by doing this kind of techniques, you will have more fun than usual. The next system is a top system. This is called because it includes a lot of under systems and combines it into one. Also, the mind mapping is going to give you the help to multiply your abilities, to store them and to recall whenever you want. This is a new approach in the art of memory. Okay, to conclude, you here are going to learn a lot of new techniques and ways to further improve your memory. Make sure that you have fun while doing this, and I will help you and guide you throughout this whole course to keep you on the right track. You will soon realize how easy it is and how quickly you can adapt your new skills. Last but not least, enjoy the whole course itself and have a nice day.